Howdy, y'all. Lone Star Rider here. I'm here at Coremark. I'm here at Coremark Metals. I got a couple of pieces of C channels and some diamond plate. I may have to come back and get one more diamond plate sheet, but yeah, to put on this trailer later today. The guys here at Coremark are awesome. Went out of my way to help me and get this stuff done. So if you're ever in the Saginaw, North Fort Worth area, stop by. These people can help you out. Catch you on the road here at Coremark Metals in Saginaw, North Fort Worth, Texas.
Lone Star Rider on his motorcycle, raising money, making friends, seeing the country into it. Lone Star Rider. Got time on our side. We're in a state of home. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come. It's a miracle that you and I are finally here. I saw you walking the light, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You will be the last one to think about, the last one to think about. Oh, 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 oh.
6 hours later. The next day.
Howdy y'all, Lone Star Rider here. I'm going to be loading up my motorcycle now onto the trailer. Yeah, I don't have any help, so it's my first time. It's kind of scary. I don't have the gate to drive up on. I don't know how much of an angle that is. I might not be able to do that angle. Anyway, let's find out. Well, I don't have anywhere to put my feet down, so I'm going to do planting. All right, I'm going to come around and go up there. Around. Wish me luck.
Wish you luck. Let's hope you don't crash.
Don't say that.
Mashallah, mashallah. What is this motorized thing? It looks like a car, but a whole lot louder.
It is for it.
Here you go.
Thank you. The trailer ain't long enough.
Lone Star Ride.